Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Healthy Hair 101, the heart of holistic health, fitness, and vibrant hair journeys on all things related to the health of your hair. I'm Sarah, your friendly guide on this journey to a healthier and happier you. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating link between mental well-being and hair health. We'll explore how stress affects your strands, the power of positive thinking, and the magic of mindfulness. So let's get started. Stress, my friends, is a silent strand saboteur. It can lead to hair loss, dullness, and even premature graying. But don't worry, there are ways to combat this. Regular exercise is a fantastic stress buster. It boosts blood circulation, nourishing your scalp and promoting healthy hair growth. A balanced diet is also crucial. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins can help strengthen your hair and combat the effects of stress. And let's not forget about the importance of a good night's sleep. It's during sleep that your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including your hair. Now let's talk about the power of positive thinking. It's not just a feel-good mantra. Positive thoughts can actually help reduce stress levels, promoting overall well-being, and yes, healthier hair. Practicing mindfulness can also help. It's all about being present in the moment, letting go of negative thoughts, and embracing positivity. If our daily videos are becoming your go-to for all things health and hair, show some love by hitting like and subscribe to always stay updated. Meditation is another powerful tool for mental well-being. It helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote a sense of peace and tranquility. Yoga, with its combination of physical postures and breathing exercises, can also help reduce stress and promote hair health. And let's not forget about our DIY hair masks. These natural remedies can help nourish and strengthen your hair, combating the effects of stress. Using organic hair products can also help. They're free from harsh chemicals that can damage your hair and scalp. So, there you have it, folks. The link between mental well-being and hair health is undeniable. Stress can wreak havoc on your hair, but with the right tools, exercise, a balanced diet, positive thinking, mindfulness, meditation, yoga, DIY hair masks, and organic products, you can combat its effects and promote healthier, happier hair. Remember, your hair is a reflection of your overall health, so take care of your mind and your hair will thank you. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and keep those locks luscious.